So we're going to talk about rising costs and affordability.
Cool.
So why is homeowner insurance, or excuse me, why is home insurance increasing so much right now?
Great question. There's a few different things that are going on here. So it's really important to remember that anytime that an insurance rate is set or an insurance rate changes, there's always one of two reasons why that's happening. It's either because of something that is happening in your world specific, right? You change a coverage, you get a new house, you add on a security system, right? You make a change, either positive or negative, that impacts your premium. But then there's this other thing that happens, which is things that are happening all around you. And when we talk about insurance rates changing over the course of the last few years and going up, a lot of it has to do with things in this second category, things changing around you. So, few of those main things. And I'm going to speak in generalities here because I know you've got a lot of different clients who work with a lot of different insurance companies. But generally, the things that we're seeing change are number one, increases to the amount of repair costs. And that includes both the cost of materials itself, because keep in mind, insurance pays for real things in the real world. If we got to rebuild a house, we still have to pay for that two by four, just like you do. And
Mhm.
then number two, increasing costs of labor. The reason why those things are going up, you can probably guess because you've probably heard it in a lot of other places. COVID was a major situation that really impacted things, but also costs generally have increased pretty significantly over the course of the last 5 years.